Let's learn about short A. Let's listen to some words. Apple, ant, cat, hat, mat, nap, pen, rat, sat, van. Now let's make sentences using those words. Apple, the apple is red. Ant, the ant is small. Cat, the cat is cute. Hat, the hat is on my head. Mat, the mat is soft. Nap, I took a nap. Pan, the pan is on the stove. Rat, the rat is brown. Sat, the cat sat on the mat. Van, the van is blue. Now let's listen to the short passage.
The cat and the mat. The cat sat on the mat. She was tired from playing all day. She took a nap on the mat. When the cat woke up, she saw an ant on the mat. The ant was carrying an apple. The cat said,
"Hello, ant. What are you doing with that apple?"
The ant said,
I'm taking this apple to my home.
The cat said,
"Can I help you?"
The ant said,
Yes, please. I can't carry this apple by myself.
The cat and the ant worked together to carry the apple to the ant's home. The ant was very grateful to the cat for helping him. He said,
Thank you, cat. You are a true friend.
The cat was happy to help. She knew that it was important to help others.